Hello and good day. My name is Michael Campbell, VP for Quality Solutions and Consulting for Velox Health Metadata. In today's instructional video, I'll be sharing with you how to utilize the new data channel maintenance feature on the Velox Payer Enablement Platform, or PEP Release 1.66. So without further ado, let's get started. On your screen, you should see the PEP opened up to the data channels page, and you can see a full inventory of all of your administrative and clinical data. I see that I would like to update now the petabyte claim system Medicaid system. When I go into the detail screen, I see that I have a event date. The last event date is for the prior year. I would like to update this to 2025. And we've also had an increase in the number of members that are impacted by this data channel. So let's close the detail screen. I will navigate down under the setup and configuration menu icon to specifically data channels. I select data channels. I locate this particular data channel on the maintenance page, and I select the edit icon. It opens up a detail screen where I can update, for example, here, the member count to 2,000. And I can select a date. Let's select today's date in 2025. I update the screen, and you can see that's already reflected as 2,000 here in this location. If I return to the data channels, I can open up the detail screen again under Quality View, and I can see it's been updated to today's date, and we now have 2,000 members showing for this particular data channel. Going back to the data channels, I have also options to do other things. I can add an additional channel either directly through the data channel by creating, instantiating a new channel and selecting and entering the different metadata for the channel. For example, I can also update aspects of the CDEX scoring, including the NPI for if I'm using a FHIR API for that particular API, and select formats and other important metadata to cover the data lineage of the particular channel. But staying on general, you can see again that I have all the metadata screens available to me. When you create a particular new channel, it's important that you select and indicate in every particular field your intention of what you intend to capture for metadata for that particular channel. We'll cancel out of this for now. And I'll show you another way to create a new data channel, and that's by using the copy function. Very often we see shared metadata or similarities between different channels. So rather than creating a new data channel, we just simply copy an existing channel. So let's use the example of petabyte claim system for Medicaid. We create copy, and you can see it reads in all the same information, including my most recent updates that I just captured earlier. And in this case, I can create, for example, a new particular data channel. Let's call this, we'll just be cheeky and do byte peta claims system. And we'll be simple and just say simply medical claims. And I won't change any other information just in the interest of time. Copy data channel. Refresh the screen. And here she is. Byte beta claim system, medical claims, internal, same count. We also have the option, at times we find that there are certain data channels that are no longer applicable or have, say, aged out in their life cycle for usage. And in those scenarios, we'll give this poor byte beta claim system a very short lifespan. We're going to go ahead and retire that channel. And what that allows is to continue to see that channel in its archive, but it will not have any impact on the computations of particular values in the KPIs that the PEP makes available, determining the complexity and opportunity of available channels. And then finally, there is an additional fourth method. And when the Velox PEP is identifying an external Fire API opportunity for you by interrogating your provider directory Fire API and matching that directory to the available API channels available. If we see a match between your provider directory and a channel that you do not have in your particular data channel inventory, we can instantiate a new channel available to you to optimize your clinical data operations. Okay, in all cases, we always have available to you under the documentation repositories, specifically the general folder, the user guide, where you can see the most latest instructions on how to use the latest version of the PEP. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.